Compare strings. It's very easy to compare strings using if statements. First, go to brackets. Then create a string variable such as name and assign it with any string such as Python or whatever you want to call it. Then create another string variable such as name2 and assign it with any string also such as C++. Now, let's use if statement with these strings to see if they are equal or not. By typing if name1 equal name2 colon, print a string sentence, two strings are equal, else colon, print two strings are not equal. After that, try them on terminal. Very good, it shows the two strings are not equal. Now, let's change the string of name2 and make it same as the string of name1. Then try it on terminal. Sweet, as you can see here the comparison works well and it shows that two strings are equal. That's it for now. Thank you very much guys.